OnePlus 6T set for radical changes, and OnePlus may have just revealed all. OnePlus 6T looks set to implement a host of radical upgrades over the OnePlus 6, and the Chinese manufacturer may have just revealed all. The OnePlus 6T is the successor to the praised OnePlus 6 and is highly anticipated. That is because it is expected to carry on OnePlus' tradition of packing a score of flagship features for an affordable price tag. CNET recently insisted the new smartphone from the Chinese manufacturer will arrive this month and has a price tentatively set at $550, £421.24. And OnePlus confirmed to the publication its next device will tout a new and futuristic way to unlock the hardware. That is because the manufacturer emphasized the phone's fingerprint sensor will be housed under its display. OnePlus said, "We unlock our phones multiple times a day, and screen unlock reduces the number of steps to complete the action." By adding this feature as an addition to other display unlocking options such as face unlock, users will have options to unlock the display in a way that is most efficient for them. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei recently confirmed the OnePlus 6T will forego a headphone jack, but such a move will allow for new technologies to debut in the Android phone. He told TechRadar, "When we started OnePlus, we set out to make the best possible smartphone, but making a great phone doesn't mean putting every component available into the device. You've got to make decisions that optimize the user experience, and understand that at times things that provide user value can also add friction. By removing the jack, we've freed up more space, allowing us to put more new technology into the product. One of the big things is something our users have asked us for: improved battery life. We're adding an adapter to the box, allowing you to use your 3.5mm headphones normally." Since then, OnePlus has taken to its Twitter account to offer fans a tantalizing glimpse into what its next phone is going to offer. A 4-second video showed the slogan "Unlock the Future" and appeared to display a battery icon. Such a move appears to hint at the previously promised fingerprint reader under the display and improved battery life. The second clip appeared to show a small part of the OnePlus 6T device. The bottom of the forthcoming flagship appears to be displayed with incredibly minimal bezels. However, the picture only offers a small look at the new phone from the Chinese firm without giving much away. But if previous reports from CNET are to be believed and the new hardware is set for a release this month, it surely will not be long before an official announcement about the product is made.